How can we improve image quality using Winxvideo AI? Basically, we'll click on Image AI and select this section. As you can see, the GPU is automatically selected here. If we want super resolution, what kind of detail we want, like real smooth or anime style. And here we can choose model settings like 4x or 2x scaling, which depends on the desired quality. We can also select based on resolution if we prefer. We'll add the image from the bottom left. I have a pixel image, which is this one here. Once we've made all the necessary adjustments, we just wait. They give us a small preview, which we can view two ways, with before and after. I'd like to show full screen. This is the before, I believe, and this is the after. As you can see, they let us explore different tests, like scaling up to 4x and more, and it won't export until we hit the run button. So this is how we can improve the image quality. We can also apply face restoration if the face looks distorted, and here's an example of the enhancement. To export, we simply click export here, ensure we have the right quality, whether it's 100%, PNG, JPEG and so on, with the original DPI or a higher one. So we just hit run and export it. It's that simple. How can we colorize an image using Winxvideo AI? Well, we click on add image and select a black and white photo in this case. As you can see, it first improved the quality using AI. It's done a pretty good job, right? However, I'd say it's lost some of the grain. That could be good or bad, depending on your preference. But we can't deny that the photo looks really great overall. Though the coloring might be off, that white looks a bit too stark, and the walls are so smooth they seem a bit unrealistic. So now we're going to click on colorizing monochrome image. It's found in the image restoration section. This will restore and colorize our image, and here's the result. As you can see, AI has repainted the image with different colors. It's done a decent job overall, though it might not have colored these posters quite right. But to compare, here's the before and after. There's a noticeable improvement, and that's how we can colorize our images. Alright, how can we improve our video quality using Winxvideo AI? Basically, we go to Video AI and select it within this program. Then we'll upload a video in the bottom left. We're going to upload this video, but first, let's decide what we want, right? Do we want real smooth or an anime style? Okay, we'll use the default setting and select high quality mode, alright? If we wanted fast mode, we'd activate it. One gives higher quality, the other is faster. We want max scaling of 1x4, and there are other options like frame interpolation, which creates more frames per second, or stabilization, okay? So we'll click add video and add it, alright? Now, what does each option do, okay? I just want to process it once for now, okay? I'm not sure if the video will play, but it looks like it will, okay? Here we have the before and here we have the after, alright? If we look here, we can see both playing. Now let's enhance it a bit more, okay? We can change the resolution or scaling here. Before we had, let's set it to 4K. We had enhanced video at 1x before, right? Now you can really see the before and after. This is before and this is after, see? Now the difference is really noticeable. It's very clear on my camera, and I think you'll notice it too. How it's full of noise here and then it's gone. I like that. Let's also select frame interpolation, set frames to 5. Top right shows frame count. Now it's 4K at 150 frames, up from 30. Let's see how it plays. And then for stabilization, if we were to use it, we'd select 1 or 2 steps, okay? As you can see, it tells us it's recommended. 1 or 2 steps means how many times our video will be processed to achieve final stabilization, okay? Then in the preset, we can choose greater stabilization, faster stabilization, balanced or minimal cropping, okay? Then we'd click analyze here, and it would start analyzing the stabilization. As you can see, this video has no stabilization or movement, but if there were, we could counteract it. And that's it, we'd have the result. If we hit play, well, my computer doesn't seem able to play this live, okay? But basically, I mean, if we click export, okay, we click here at the bottom, select the codec, HD 264 as usual, set quality level to highest, and leave the rest as is. Then we just hit run, and that's how we could export our video. So yeah, it's that simple. We can improve audio quality with Winxvideo AI. They have a specific option for us to enhance our audio. So without further ado, let's go to Audio AI. As you can see, we can add our audio here. Here we have different models to improve the audio. I'd recommend 3.1, which is likely the most advanced. As you see, it'll process using the CPU, okay? Here we can set noise attenuation, the dB limit for noise reduction. Noise is what we get when we increase volume too much. Or sometimes there's background noise in recordings, that noise we can't really hear, or even electrical noise from a poor quality mic, right? Then we'd have post filter 3 Hall, which is the output level from that filtered part, okay? As you can see, P ends at 0. so we don't want any output. Maybe 0.1 would sound more natural, right? Just a 0.01 comma, that's it. Finally, we'd have volume control, which is the output if we want to increase the volume or not. Because in the end, as we're doing noise reduction, we're essentially removing space from the sound, and with that, we're also partly causing the sound to decrease a bit. So we'd need to take that into account too, of course. So that's how we can be once we finished. We add the media down here on the left, hit export, and that's it. It's that simple.